Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Beary Christmas suite of products. Not the entire suite, because I don't have the entire suite, but we have the Memories and More card pack, the Memories and More cards and envelopes, as well as the glitter sequence, the adhesive back glitter sequence that comes in the suite, and the Beary Christmas Designer Series paper. So we're going to be working with all of this. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our with love and gratitude paper pumpkin kit for September. This kit is going to make 8 treat packages and 8 note cards. It has a Lost Lagoon stamping spot, and it also has an add-on available. The item number for the add-on is 163270. It is a cost of $15, and what you will be getting is an 8x10 journal. These are while supplies last, but they are available right now for you to purchase, okay? Next up, we have our bonus days. It's still bonus days. It's time for you to redeem your coupon. So last month in July, anytime you purchase $50 or more, Stampin' Up would send you a $5 coupon code in your email. So if you haven't yet, get those emails, get that code out of there, and use it on your orders for August, because the coupons expire at the end of August. Now, if you do not want to make a purchase in August, but you have a coupon code, you can gift those to someone else. They're not linked to you specifically. So if you're not going to use your code, gift it to someone that you know might be placing an order. Next up, we have our August 23 host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use that host code, because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have filled with over $200, plus or minus $200 in new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm charging $40 for each box. That includes the shipping. I can only ship it in the U.S. The box size is a medium flat rate box from the USPS. And if you are interested, just email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com, and I will let you know how we can get you those boxes. And I haven't been telling you guys because I forgot. I haven't printed off my a sheet to remind me. But our kits are on sale. All of the kits are on sale. I think it is 30% off. I'm not sure. But all the kits, you can go online at stampinup.com/kits, and you can see all the kits, and they're on sale for the month of August, okay? So now, let's get into our project. So the first one I'm going to show you is a quick one, I believe. This is the envelope, one of the envelopes that comes in the envelopes, the cards and envelopes for the Memory More Beary Christmas pack. So this lining is all the way through, but this print is only on the flap. So we have a red, real red card base here, and you can use it with the dark red at the top and the faded down at the bottom, or you can flip it over and do the reverse. To me, for this card, it doesn't matter. So what I have is one of the cards from the Memory and More card pack. They are double-sided. You know what? Matter of fact, let me show you the cards. Because you get 6, I believe, of each card. So let me show you those so we can have that part out of the way. You can know what you get. So you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you get 6 because I have already used some of these. So you get 6 of this one. That's the reverse. You get 6 of this one. And again, I showed you this one. That's the one we're about to use. Is that it? Okay, so those are the 4x6 cards. Then you get 2 of each sticker sheet. So those are the sticker sheets there. You get 2 of each of those. You see, I've cut some things up, and let me show you the 3x4s. So you get 6 of these as well. 6 of each of these, rather. May your Christmas be cozy. And on the opposite side is that. Give the gift of Christmas cheer. Wishing you the best this season. That's the back side. It says North Pole Notes. Then Let It Snow. And that's the back of that. So that is what will come in your Beary Christmas Memories and More card pack. And then for the cards and envelopes, you get 20 envelopes and 20 card bases, okay? And there's 2 different kind of envelopes and 2 different colors of card bases. So this one, we're going to start with, we're just going to glue this one straight down to the card base. I'm running out of glue here. I think I have another one up here. Come on, just for this part. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, we're going to stick that right here. Now, this would make a quick and easy card just like that. I'm hoping I didn't put this with the wrong card base. Because I'm thinking that should have been on the blue. Okay. But anyway, so what I did was I took another one of these cards and I cut out the bears and a couple of the icebergs, and I popped them up on dimensionals. So let me get those. And we're just going to add these. Where's my take your pick tool? Add these to over the images, the coordinating image, like so. That way they'll pop up certain pieces and we'll have a cute little card. Come on. This one goes here. I like how it adds a little shadow. Okay, so we're going to put this last piece on here, line it up, the image below, and basically that's it. Or then we're going to take some Wink of Stella and we're going to make all of these icebergs shine like the moonlight is shining on that snow. Yeah, that is cute. We're just gonna go around the bears. Just put it on the ice. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple. That's our first card. It was real nice and simple, but I think I like the effect of everything being popped up. And that'll go in this envelope. Okay, so let's move on to our next card. So the next card is going to be using the blue card base. This is the envelope for that one. It's the color for the envelopes are very vanilla. They're not white, but this is the inside of this one. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have our blue card base. Now this has a like wispy streaks of red in it. You can't really see it that well, but it's there and it's the same on both sides. So we're going to start with this card. We're going to start with a piece of the soft shimmer specialty paper in Night of Navy. And I've cut this down to 4 by 6. Let me get my new glue here. Get it started. We're going to just glue it down to the paper, not your hand. We're going to put this on our base. Okay, and then I have a piece of real red cardstock that I'm going to punch using the 1 3/4 punch, the circle punch. So we're just going to punch out a real red circle. Then I have this card from the Memories and More card pack. And we're going to get a couple of stickers to pop on here. So, oh, come on now. Stick to the, where did I put the stickers? So what we want are, we want this trees here. So we want to put this blue tree here. I think these trio. Yeah, we could put that right there. A trio of trees there. And then we want to get this Let It Snow sticker. And we're going to pop that onto our real red circle. Let's see if I can line that up a little better. Oh no, it's on there. I should have put this on the paper, then punched it. Okay, and we're going to put some dimensionals on the back of this. So let's get some dimensionals. I need to get some more regular size dimensionals because I keep having to use these minis. I mean, the minis work just fine. It's just, I find I have to use it a little bit more. So let's see. I am going to pop this up right here, and I'm thinking, is there anything else that I want on here? Anything else? I'm thinking that might be it. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this on then, because I think that's all I wanted to put on here. We're going to put this on here. Yeah, like this. A little more to the left, just because we're going to put our sentiment up here. This is why I use the Take Your Pick tool. I think it's a little easier. And then we're just going to pop this on right here. I'm thinking I want to put something. Let me see if I can lift this up. But I might have waited too long. Yeah. I should have put that closer to there, so I could have put one of these animals, cute little animals on here. Maybe I still will. I'll put him, that little cute little bear. I think that's what I want. I like it. Okay, you guys, look at that. The second card done. Let's bring back the first one. So this is the 2 cards that we made today using the Beary Christmas Memories and More card pack. The cards and envelopes and some extra supplies. Okay? Well, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.